Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial, and I'm going to teach you how to make this fancy top. It's very easy, and for this you will need a fabric that is 50 inches long and 40 inches wide. So you'll fold it lengthwise and widthwise as usual. It's easy, you know. So that's your pattern up there on the top. So you'll need to draft it, draw everything, and then cut it out. By folding it the way we folded it, you'll have both sides, the front and the back, on each other. So usually I like to cut everything together, the neck, same length, about an inch, and then remove the back side and then cut the front part of the neck about 8 inches deep as indicated. So cut it out. Then when you're done cutting that out, mark the front part. You'll need to split the front and leave about 2 inches from the neck. That's where the pink part will go. And then you'll also need 2 pieces of fabric that are 4 inches wide. This is the same fabric but a different color. So they're 17 inches long and 4 inches wide. Then you'll need that other fabric that is 21 inches wide and 12 at the bottom and then 4 at the top. You can see how it's been cut. And then after you're done cutting, you will join the two 4 by 16 inch pieces together on both sides. Then when you're done joining both sides, turn it to the right side. Then usually, just to be safe, I like to pin it. So that will form your neck, or looks like a collar, more or less. So that's how you turn it. I prefer to pin so it stays in place. So those seams, one will go to the back, the middle, and the other will go to the front part of the neck. So now that that is done, mark the other part of the fabric, fold it in half, and then make sure you measure from the top 5 inches and stitch from the top to the 5-inch mark. This is the part that will go to the front. Seen how we split it? Now we join it to the front part. Remember that part we had cut? That's where this piece goes. I like to stitch from the middle because it's a bit tricky when you stitch from the beginning to the end. The middle might not join properly, so start from the middle, stitch all the way down, then go back to the middle again from where you started and stitch again all the way down. When you're done stitching that, do the neck, the shoulder rather, as you can see. Do the shoulders. When you're done with the shoulders, it's time to fix the collar. Remember that part we stitched? This is what we are attaching now to the neck. So make sure as I mentioned earlier, the seams where you joined, one goes to the back, the middle back, and one goes to the front. As you can see, stitch all the way around. Oh, and there you have your neck. Later you will top stitch it. And then remember that part we stitched 5 inches. I forgot to mention that you're supposed to turn it to the right side. So that little flap that is hanging from where you attached goes round the neck, and then you attach it in the inside part. Oh, the middle of the neck. When you're done doing that, you can now stitch the side seam. Join the 2 pieces together on the sides, the left and the right side. And then you're almost done making the top. After that, it's time to overlock everything. When you're done stitching the sides. So overlock, I like to start with the neck. So overlock all the way around the neck part. Then the front, or whichever you choose, you can choose to start with the front part from the inside, the part you stitched, remember? Then you can go to the neck. When you're done with the neck, overlock the side seams and you'll be pretty much done. Now all you have to do is to finish the hem. I like to, because this fabric is stretchy, I like to burn the bottom, so the seams at the bottom and the sleeves, so that you give it the ruffle look. You'll see. I like that finish, it looks very pretty. Then I find it neater than hemming, because if you don't get hemming right, it will not look good at all. So finish the bottom part and the sleeves. It's very easy and pretty fast compared to hemming. But this only works for stretchy fabrics. Fabrics with lots of polyester and spandex and stuff. It will not work on a cotton fabric. So burn the sleeves now. You're pretty much done. So see the effect? That's how it will look when you're done. It has a very pretty ruffle-like finish. And then when you're done, top stitch the neck part all the way around. And then secure the middle part so it looks like that. See, my top is ready. And I'm good to go. Easy, see? There you have it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, to like, and to share this video, and comment. In case you need to order one of those tops, please text us on that number. Make sure you WhatsApp. That number is only for WhatsApp, so please WhatsApp. You can call us on WhatsApp or text on WhatsApp.